light is everything when it's not dark. Light is color. Light is everything we see. This is a very obvious idea. I mean, it's very difficult to know why no one has done it before. You know, it's like, I think the best ideas are ideas when you think it's a very good idea, but why didn't anyone do it before? And then you do a little search and you see, yes, no one's done it before, great. And then you go for it. I started by bending a tube. I mean, the idea is that there are diminishing diameter semicircles. So there's the big one, that's a little smaller by the thickness of the tube, and then the smaller one, and so they get smaller and smaller. So I made that, and I thought my idea was to have a spring, one spring inside them that pull them all in tension. And it sort of worked. It worked, but not so convincingly. And then we said, okay, the solution is in a very sophisticated joint where you can control the friction, and it also has to be hollow to get the wires through it. There was a certain moment in iGuzzini that they got the buzz, and they came up with the answer, with a joint that was absolutely perfect, and here it is. And that's the nice thing about it. It's a project that relies on a lot of technical and mechanical solutions, but it doesn't bother us with them. You know, as the user, we don't even think about them. We don't know them. We're just happy that they're there. There's something very sad about a big contraption, a big technical thing on your desk where you don't need it when it's switched off. And I think the PizzaKobra can gently disappear from the horizon and reduce to just a flat thing on the desk, and you can put stuff. You can put a book on it, and you can use the space. It just provides another space. And then when you need it, you take it out, and that's what it is. It's amazing how the word, you can describe something with lines, but then you can describe something with just one line, and this is what it is. It's just like one line. What can we do with one line? In the PizzaKobra, there's, I could have a luxury version that has double the amount of joints or triple the amount of joints, but then we restrained ourselves, to make it viable, and also not to confuse people too much, but to keep it within some sort of framework. But then we discovered that one thing needs another direction. So there's only here, the one before last, we have quarter circles, not semicircles. So it's very important to be able to do that to the last one. Another thing that, I don't know if you're interested, it's all hollow, but the base is solid, and that is to give it weight, so you can cantilever far away and it still doesn't tip.